The only permanent damage I see is here. I fixed that. It's got a little damage here. That's all I'm really seeing. I'm not seeing any road damage. Everything seems really good. This bike was in an accident. The lady said that she hit a wall, so we wanted to come in and check it out, make sure it was safe for her to ride. Okay? So we took off the front wheel, we put it back on, make sure it was center. I checked the fork, make sure it wasn't bent, as well as the stem and handlebars. I think the handlebars seem a little off, maybe a 1/4 inch from side to side. So this is an Aventon Pace. This is a very easy bike to ride. It's very easy to get on and off with the step-through frame. The pedal assist makes it virtually effortless to ride. So it's really enjoyable. If you've never tried one, I recommend coming by the shop and taking it for a test ride one day. Very popular bike. I think it's one of our best sellers, I believe. It's a 500 watt. It has a pretty good sized battery. It has hydraulic brakes. It's kind of lightweight. I don't know the exact numbers on it. It's under 50 pounds. So it makes it really easy. You can just hold the front brake, the back brake, lift it up. I set it on the tailgate to my van, and then I just shove the back in and lay it down, and I'm ready to go. It's that easy to load up. If you don't have a bike rack, it's very doable. I would stress coming in and test riding these and a couple other models that are like it, just to compare the different bikes. Before you make any purchase, the more bikes you ride, the better.